Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Repalo don't come outside when they talk about Aaron Ramsdale, and for those who don't know Repalo is one of our Arsenal legends. So back on the talk say as Ramsdale they played and say if him now be centre back for Arsenal defense. If to say him still they play for Arsenal defense, saying go like make then give Ramsdale the captain arms band, because the way the guy they give out that confidence for that back, he don't make the four people waiting for in front when they play better you get, because anytime when they beat those four people, you know say as in they for back, they know they easily score them. They never make any stupid mistake will lead to goal ever since we Arsenal sign them you get. So for that reason, and in vocal presence, even they when they shout, they command the back line. You know say this one self now small boy you, but he still be leader. So it will make sense when I give the guy captain armband. How do I see this one now? Aaron Ramsdale Arsenal captain. It makes sense. At the same time, our monetary spirits for Espana, they let us know say Arsenal they interested in signing Joao Felix from Atletico Madrid. I know say now if you say Atletico Madrid don't tell the guy say in they free to leave if he won't leave, because Diego Simeone wants Goncalo Gueras to come replace Felix. So this one is Arsenal the reason the guy say they would like to sign him. Nobody Arsenal self did for the mix. Even Manchester United self the reason the guy say we would like to carry this guy. And that Joao Felix, the guy self he good though, the guy they change match on his own. No. That's now whether not Benfica be Porto self they from buy the guy, because the guy self rule that Portuguese league. He play very well for them before they come carry him. Transfer and come Spain, and the guy still play very well. But now competition for places don't do too much, and now the guy don't turn surplus to requirements. They no really they live up to expectation the way they expect to get. So now Arsenal the reason Man United the reason even I say Man City self the scamp and say maybe we'll fit carry the guy. So I don't know how I see this guy deal. Should I go like fancy this guy to come play for Arsenal? Now reason say the guy a good player. Let me know for the comment section what you think about the Joao Felix. Brad Friedel, will be one of our super pundits now, don't come outside, can they tell us about Matt Stoner. So Baba can talk say, if this guy enter EPL, say this guy go scatter Arsenal on the positive notes, then the guy go be super competition, as in go bring better competition, called fight Ramsdale for that number one spot. To say this Matt Stoner, what you make I like the guy, say the guy is a young goalkeeper, with him very good, and at the same time, so the guy never really experienced all those competition for places like make the fights for another person to who be number one. So all the life now number one, he don't always they be number one for USA. So now when they come Arsenal come in number two, say Ramsey go see a hot photo, say the guy will come fight for the place. Well, now what we say for the play, we want two good goalkeeper, because we'll be playing so many competitions next season, because all of us know say we go Europe one way or the other. So since we are playing many competitions, we need two of the best keeper. At least if one they play for EPL, one going to play Champions League or Europa League, any I won't be. So that the way they leak in some kind of goals. Well, now what I want with that. My monetary spirit where they call the Sun, don't come outside, they let us know say Arsenal don't they set to offer Mikel Arteta a new contract at the end of the summer. They won't offer the guy 3 years contract on top the one window already did, because they see the guy as the ideal coach who will take Arsenal into the promised land, you get, because they know say they don't set a vision, you get, they don't start the rebuilding process. So they will like make the same man complete the building, you get. Check out other clubs now whether they change coach, how many things they don't achieve. Look at Manchester United, we just come out Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. After they come out Solskjaer, what did they don't achieve? Even before Solskjaer, they come out Mourinho. After Mourinho, Solskjaer come. What did Solskjaer do? How many years in there? He win anything? No. They don't come out. They don't bring in Ralf Rangnick on the consultation role, make him be the coach to the end. I be they will still bring new coach again. What did the guy don't achieve? Come last day they go from frying pan to fire. You get, because change sometimes they bring in negative consequences. See Manchester United now. If you bring Man U squad now, bring Arsenal squad now, man for man they get better players passes. Check out their attacking line. Look at the people they get from midfield. But look how they are struggling because they don't have a team. Look at Tottenham Hotspur. I remember when Tottenham Hotspur sacked Esperanto Santos. They come bring in this their current coach now, Antonio Conte. People say, hey, Tottenham Hotspur will go Champions League. Hey, Conte don't come. Conte will scatter everywhere. Conte is a serial winner. Conte is this, Conte is that. Shebi na the Conte now the language below us now where they cry up and down that they don't give her money to buy a preferred player. The guy don't come out and talk to they don't go even qualify for Champions League. It's a 1% chance. Shebi na this same Conte. You know, sometimes if you know go value what you get, you go listen and shit you get, but you know say our coach self dey try. If you say get the resources wey some of all these coaches get, overall go far. Now resources be our major problem. So I just dey pray say at the end of the summer, and they don't talk say they will bring in £180 million. Whether na audio money we never know. About the summer we go know whether truly they will give Ateta this money. Say okay, oh yeah, since you don't do one story video, oh yeah, put another foundation, make you do 2 story video. More say maybe na the final 3 story video then go remain. At the end of the summer we will know sha. At the same time, for media settings, they they ask Ms. Mitro say who be a role model when they tailor in game too. Also, Baba Kanto say my role model na Dennis Beckham. Seems like the way the guy they play, so you don't watch the guy tape like man, you don't monitor the way the guy they play, the way the guy they travel with the ball, the way the guy getting mental awareness and alertness, the way they display, they throw passes, you know, they don't monitor the guy and in like everything about the guy. Say he would like to be a better version of that idol. So now say just be well, we can the best of luck. He's still a very young boy, and we know say he's going to do great things in Arsenal. On my marital spirit, wey they call Kulimania, don't come aside. They let us know say Arsenal left back, wey they call Kylian. Say Barcelona don't put them for their short list to get their transfer short list for the summer. Before na Real Madrid, now the reason it matter. Now Barcelona self don't put them for short list. Say they won't use and replace Jordi Alba. So they don't like the way that one they play. And you know say Kylian, the way when they play, everybody they value in style of play. He's one of the best left backs in the world. That's why Real Madrid. That's why Barcelona the reason it matter. And don't forget say Kylian the contract now till 2026 he go run he get, so he's still far. So we will not fear say anything happen. But we don't say Arsenal self no fit afford to sell him. We need him going forward. So that's what it just be. On my marital spiritual, they call Chris Whitley, will be one of our super journalists. Don't come outside, they let us know say Granit Xhaka is likely to move for the summer. This one be say Mourinho see the reason the matter, saying would like to carry the guy. So at the end of the summer, he will likely move. And for me, I don't get a problem with that. If he won't move at the end of the summer, because that at the end of the summer, it will even give us that chance to buy more players. We know we're there as temperamental as Granit Xhaka. We know it will cost us some kind games to get collecting red card unnecessarily, you know, being angry, you know, very aggressive. Fine, it comes with the job of a defensive midfielder, but you should know how to curtail it. If you go can't fit the curtail him, if all those Sergio Busquets fit the curtail him, Douglas Costa, many players, Douglas Luiz, people plenty say they for defensive midfield. They don't collect card anyhow. They don't collect any red card, all those kinds of cost penal. No. So if they can do it, you can do it too. So that's why. If the guy will go, I don't get any issue. I mean, how I think about this Granit Xhaka leaving at the end of the summer, so I get issue because Mourinho said the reason say okay, I would like to bring in Xhaka because the one who will collect for Arsenal, maybe estimate like nice. This one not disappointed Freeport. We bring him come play midfield. At the end of the day, you know work well. Okay, put him for the normal position, right back. You know still work well. Baba, you use your tongue, count your teeth to find your square root at the end of your loan term. Charlie Watts will be one of our super pundits and super journalists. Don't come outside, they let us know say 15 games now remain for this Arsenal fixture. You get say as Arsenal dey now, say Arsenal no even need to play well for all the games. All they need now to struggle for a win, just get the win. Even if now 1-0 then play for the whole 15 games, and they're very okay with that to get. Not be every time you go play well. Sometimes you will play badly, but the main cocoa be say get your 3 points. So when you check out the first match we play against Wolves, we were not that spectacular, you get. But at the end of the day, what's happen? We fight for that goal. See the way they scramble. Magalhaes puts in leg, the goal enter. Referee they say whether na goal, whether no be goal. At the end of the day, na goal, na that 1-0, everything end. What's go happen at the end of the day? We collect our 3 points. So now so top teams they do. Look at Man City. Sometimes they don't play really well, but at the end of the day, when it goes up, they go collect points again. Look at the one who play for Emirates between Man City. If not for the 5 minutes of madness, what happen? Now we for win now, but still Man City they scramble. Even with our red card gone, we still play well. They scramble, still collect points. Now so top teams they play. On my surprise, when they hear say Arsenal they interested in lead star, what they call Rafinha, and one of our monitoring spiritual they call Gianluigi Lungari. This guy a journalist, an Italian journalist. Like our commerce, they let us know this news. Or say, what's this up now? They say Arsenal won't sign that Rafinha because Rafinha they give him contract extension. They say no, I don't want that. I want a top club. I want a club in Europe. I want somebody that will take my game to greater heights. And everybody gonna scam that Rafinha because the guy really, even they play for Leeds, you say gonna say, who be that guy? You'll be like if you watch Crystal Palace now, because with friends Zaha they display, you say go say, who be that nigga? So now so it just be the guy, even they play, you say if you go know. So Arsenal they interested in signing the guy. They don't add him for a short list. So I don't know. What do I think about this Rafinha? When I think say in style of play, it go favor us. Like it go make sense. We go collect this kind of person. What do I think? Let me know for the comment section. On my monetary spirits, whether they call Bola VIP, don't come outside. They let us know say Arsenal don't hold talks with Danilo for a summer move. You don't say Danilo Oliveiras now Palmeiras the guy they play. So Arsenal not the reason the guy don't even give them offer. But now they don't take the thing a step further. Now they don't hold talks with the player to let them know say Baba see what we will get for you. See our proposal. We want at the end of the summer. No one waste time. Once summer don't reach like this, we they come for you. How far you go like to join? I no go like to join. Let us know as they go. You get because we get many people waiting for a short list to get, and we need to know who they serious in joining us, who is available and who is not available. So once the player don't give them feedback, I will let you know because myself I don't scam the guy a Brazilian senior man and defensive midfielder in the play. The guy they very good, swift to the ball, know how to come out of tight situation, know how to drive, box to box, very energetic. I like the guy. So I don't know how I don't see the guy when they play. If you run, you go YouTube, go scam him. Or if you just check some kind of clips online, may know how the guy they play. So I wanna see this guy. Now black men join us. Now seeing style of play say go favor us. Let me know your thoughts for the comment section. At the same time, Rio Ferdinand don't come outside and let us know say almost say for this fourth place, this fourth race, this top four where they fight for EPL. Someone you go tough die, you get say the competition don't be too high. Say all those kind of Arsenal, Tottenham Hotspur, West Ham and Manchester United, they no fit afford to lose games. Though now it can't be like say maybe everybody don't give West Ham gap because West Ham don't they far behind. They don't play many games and they don't still get plenty points. But at the end of the day, saying they see West Ham leapfrogging Arsenal, like West Ham will finish above Arsenal. When you talk this kind of thing, I don't know say Baba don't they bias because which kind of rationale you go use compare Arsenal and West Ham? Which level you want use compare them? I want to happen. We West Ham go finish above us. I want to happen. Especially people say they drop point anyhow. I don't even the reason West Ham for anything. So people are the reason that Man U and Tottenham so now before are the reason West Ham, but the past few games so don't play now, they don't drop some kind of points. So I no reason that matter. Now Tottenham Hotspur and Man U gon go. So after the next 4 games or 5 games now, I will reevaluate. What scamp that top 4 position, I know who I go the scamp get now. So it just be. So I wanna see what Rio Ferdinand and the talk say West Ham will finish above us. Like I imagine small West Ham they will finish above us. This will not be biased statement. Martin Atkinson now be the referee for Arsenal match versus Wolves and many things we want to hear about this referee, many statistics. So the year say Arsenal don't get red card, plenty red card and concede penalty in every game where this Martin Atkinson don't officiate for Arsenal. So many people talk say if it's possible make them change this guy, so we don't want that, but we don't get choice, we'll manage the guy because I don't know whether the guy can get one kind of bias for Arsenal. I know say the referee association self will see all these statements say they fly online. They will say people they para, the guy go do anyhow, make it no go collect or make no go see anyhow. I just present me the referee do no marshal any which way. Whether I come like say referee dey against Arsenal, though I don't want to believe this kind of story, but now so the statistics they show us because all the matches where the guy don't officiate, they give us many bad officiating, they give us red card, they give penalty against us, they concede more. Enter when they officiate, they give us more things. If now our own night go send a 50-50, if now opponent time go run go look VAR. Well, now on Thursday now we'll know whether I go change for once in his lifetime. But Rio Ferdinand don't come again also. But back on the talk say almost say all this guy Smith Rowe and Bukayo Saka say many top clubs they scam them. Say they all they monitor their situation for Arsenal. You get. Say they don't want to go for them now because let's still be small. You get. But they monitor them. Go. You get. They track them. They know how them they grow and you get time you go reach because they see they 21, 20 now. You get time they go reach now. They will come for them. Maybe that time they reach that kind of 23, 24, 25 years ahead. They don't reach that peak. Don't be senior men. Don't understand the game in total. You get till that time and they will come for them and they left for Arsenal. It depends on where Arsenal will be that time. Maybe then we don't come sign some kind of men. They'll come the Champions League, because they run things. People will fear us like heavyweights who will be. So Arsenal feel no reason all those kind of people again. Well, like the future will tell. When Jack Wilshere don't come outside from media setting where they come they ask him about a move to AGF waiting for Danny Sykes. They come ask and say she don't call anybody to ask them how life be for here. It's say no, say never call, say now just few people don't reason 1 or 2 say how life be for here. So but you get another person where you go feel reason say one of his teammates for Arsenal will be Nicholas Bentner. I say the guy a Danish man, you get now from Denmark. So you say well reason the guy made the guy let her know how life for Denmark be footballing life. You get who be the top clubs in the year. I go take all those kind of level. Make let them know how things they go on for here. Whether the fans they passionate about football, those kind of simple things. We just clear them on one or two so that you go feel enjoying his stay here, because for this place, enjoy here for footballing reasons, not because of the money. Because how much they pay him now? £5,000 per week. What's be that one compared to what they earn on the norms? That's why I can't join them. So my dear football lover, if you know watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You will see them. Click the thumbnail so that I go get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. I don't want you to miss any updates. With CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of the day. Now game out.